Ipon challenge. Ano bang ipon? Thursday.
Hey, Zora, what were you doing down there when the wave hit? Couldn't you get away?
Oh, yeah, you know.
Zora got stuck in a chimney.
Hindi lang tayo. Saturday kasi Saturday ngayon. Saturday. Saturday may dalaw tayong 25.
Dinner's almost ready.
Lisa and I are eating at the mall.
I've been rolling yogi all day.
Not
So
touching
may
my food.
25 pa ako.
Sure.
Tatlo na.
Messing with parents is the best.
May isa pa. Apat na. May 10 na. Saan na sila lagay? Thursday na lang.
Why don't you shut up about this?
I'm not a robot. Please show
Tuesday. Sa Tuesday na lang. Tuesday, isang 10.
Why is it not working?
So,
Enter the text below.
110.
Oh.
110.
Q. Okay. Engage in conversation. Human confidence level. Okay, I have to prove I'm a human right now. 6, 7. That's a lot of 7s.
50,
I see what you did there. Referencing
60, 70,
next culture.
80, 90, 100, 110. 110. Put here in the wallet. Kasi tubig naman talaga ito eh. Nahulog ako. So, nabili ko ito sa TikTok. Ang tagal tumating. Kasi galing sa China. Galing sa China. Yung ipon natin, ito na. Ayan na. Ayan yung ipon natin. 110. So, checkin ko kasi umulit kasi ako. Umulit ko. So, Monday, wala pang 5. Tuesday, may 10 na. Wednesday, wala pang bet 15. Thursday, wala pang 20. Friday, wala pang 20 again. Saturday, may 4 na 25. Sunday, may ipon. Wala pa tayong 30, 10, 20, 15, 25, 5, 10. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. Kasi alam niyo ba? Parang pamangkin ko pa yun. Sabi sa akin. Binigay ko yung ganito. Sabi sa akin. Sabi niya sa akin. Mamaya, tingnan nyo pag tuyo na. Basa pa kasi. Naligo kasi ako. Kahapon nakatapagod. Tapos naligo ako. Naligo ako ngayon. So, bye-bye guys. So, 5 minutes na. 5 minutes na yun. Bye.